Ready? See, good morning, children. Good morning. Hope that yesterday we learned one concept that is in a triangle. If any of the side is extended, say for example here PR is extended. Up to T. So one exterior angle is formed, that is the QRT. It is the exterior angle. Exterior angle on producing the side of a triangle. So this exterior angle is equal to sum of the two interior angles, that is interior opposite angles here. So now here angle QRT, we can say it as angle PQR plus angle PQR plus angle QPR. Say if angle PQR is 35 degrees and QPR is 45 degrees. Now here angle QRT, angle PQR 35 degrees plus angle QPR 45 degrees angle QRT is 80 degrees. So this concept is one of the important concepts and we should be well versed with the concept, please. So what is this concept here? In a triangle, an exterior angle formed by producing any side of the side is equal to two interior opposite angles or two opposite interior angles. Hope that it follows. Clear? So now let us come to this question. Here let us say find the value of x. So what is x here? X is the exterior angle. And this exterior angle is equal to sum of the two interior angles. So now angle C exterior angle is equal to angle A plus angle B. Two interior opposite. So angle C is equal to x here and A is equal to 40 and B is equal to 45. That is equal to 85 degrees. Another one, find the value of y. Y is, if you take triangle ECD, it is the exterior angle. Again, the exterior angle is equal to sum of the two interior angles. So now here, angle AED is equal to angle ECD plus angle CDE. So here, angle AED is equal to y is equal to angle ECD is x plus 60. I think you know x value got as 85. So this is 85 plus 60, nothing but 145. So basing on this, we'll be getting many more problems. Hope that you followed. Any further doubts you can raise? Indamandi? Okay. Observe very carefully here. In triangle ABC, AE is extended AB and AD is extended AC. By extending here, two exterior angles are formed at B1 angle and at C1 angle. Now here, this BO and CO are the bisectors of angle CBE, and angle BCD. BO and CO are the bisectors of angle CBE and BCD. Now we have to prove that angle BOC is 90 degrees minus half angle BAC. So think very carefully here. So now if you take angle CBE, I can say this as 180 degrees minus angle ABC. I've taken the straight angle here, CBE. Here this is the exterior angle and this is the totally straight angle. So to find this CBE is nothing but 180 minus angle ABC. That is nothing but we can say 180 degrees minus y is totally 180. So this is 180 minus y. So here angle CBE is 180 minus y. Similarly, if you take angle BCD is equal to 180 degrees minus angle BCA. That is equal to 180 degrees BCA is Z. 180 degrees minus Z. So now here BO is bisector of angle CBE. If you think about angle CBO, angle CBO is half of angle CBE. That is nothing but half of 180 minus y. And if you think about angle BCO, is equal to half of angle BCD. That is nothing but half of 180 minus Z. So angle CBO, this angle is 180 minus half of 180 minus y. Angle BCO is nothing but it is half of 180 minus Z. So now if you take again here angle ABC, x plus y plus z is equal to 180. Here you can say y plus z is equal to 180 minus x. So now if you take in triangle BOC angle BOC plus angle CBO, angle BOC plus angle CBO plus angle BCO. All three angles put together 180 degrees. Here, angle BOC plus angle CBO, half of 180 minus y, plus angle BCO, half of 180 minus z. All these are equal to 180 degrees. So now here you can say this as angle BOC plus half of 180 minus y. Half of 180 is 90 degrees minus y by 2 plus 90 degrees minus z by 2 is equal to 180. So now here we can say angle BOC plus 90 plus 90, 180 degrees minus of y plus z by 2, all are equal to 180. So now here we can cancel 180 to 180, or taking 180 to this side, it will become 180 minus 180, so it will be 0. So simply we can cancel these two. This is plus 180, that's plus 180. We can say BOC plus angle y plus z by 2, that is equal to 0. Now you can say BOC is equal to y plus z by 2. That is nothing but here 180 minus x by 2. 180 minus x by 2 is nothing but 90 minus x by 2. This is equal to 90 minus x. X is nothing but angle BAC. By 2. Or we can also write this as 90 minus half of angle BAC. So think very carefully. Here AB is extended to BE and AC is extended to CD. So two interior angles are formed. That is angle CBE and angle BCD. Here what happened? BD is the bisector of BO is the bisector of angle EBC and CO is the bisector of angle BCD. So now if you take angle CBE, if you take all this as the straight angle, so angle CBE is nothing but 180 minus y. This is 180 minus y. Similarly, if you take angle BCD, it is 180 minus z. Because BO is the bisector here, angle CBO is half of angle CBE. That is nothing but half of 180 minus y. Similarly, if you take angle BCO, it is half of angle BCD. So that is nothing but half of 180 minus z. So here, if you take angle ABC, this x plus y plus z is equal to 180, y plus z is equal to 180 minus x. So think, let us take angle BOC. In BOC, if you take all the three angles, that is angle BOC plus angle CBO plus angle BCD, that is equal to 180 degrees. Clear? So angle BOC plus CBO, we know that is half of CBO, half of 180 minus y. And to take angle BCD, BCO, it is nothing but half of 180 minus z. All this put together is 180 degrees. So now this angle BOC and a half 180 minus y is nothing but half of 180 is 90 minus y by 2. So here half 180 minus z is nothing but 90 minus z by 2. That is equal to 180. So angle BOC 90 plus 90 180 minus half y plus z by 2, that is equal to 180. So 180 to 180 we can cancel, or taking that side we can get as 0. So now angle BOC minus of y plus z by 2 is equal to 0. So angle BOC is equal to this minus by going to that side will become y plus z by 2. Y plus z is nothing but 180 minus x. So 180 minus x by 2, nothing but 180 by 2 minus x by 2. So 90 minus x by 2. This x is nothing but angle BAC. So here 90 minus angle BAC by 2, that is nothing but 90 minus half of angle BAC, hence proved. Okay. Any of your doubts? Number anta? So think very carefully, please. Now let us say, for example, here PQR. This is up to S, x up to T. So now here see QO is the bisector of angle SQR and RO is the bisector of angle QRT. Alright. Now here, for example, if they give angle P is 80 degrees, find angle QOR. So remember very carefully, this QOR is an angle formed by joining the bisectors of the two exterior angles. QOR is the angle formed by joining the bisectors of the two exterior angles of a triangle PQR. And just now we learned that the angle formed by joining the bisectors of the exterior angle is nothing but that is 90 degrees minus. Here you can say this is in this problem we can set this as 90 degrees minus angle QPR. That's all. You need not do the entire problem or something like this. So remember the formula very carefully. Just now we proved how do you get it. Clear? So there is nothing but 90 degrees minus it is 80 by 2. That is nothing but 90 minus 40. Clear? Yes? Any of your doubts you can chat in the chat box. So this is the exterior angle concept. So in this, in this chapter, we learned about two important concepts. One concept is the exterior angle. With the the exterior angle formed by producing the side of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. So say this is x and this is y. So now here angle MKP is nothing but angle x plus angle y, two interior angles. This is one concept and this is the another concept. I mean the triangle formed by joining the bisectors of the exterior angles of two exterior angles of a triangle is equal to nothing but 90 degrees minus half of the vertical angle. So this is the concept of this exercise. Okay, shall we proceed? Now, ఇక్కడ అంతే కదా, రెడీ చేసా. Now let's go to the exercise part. So now let us take the first diagram, please. In this one, we are expected to find the value of x. X is nothing but is the angle formed by producing one side of the triangle BC. So now this is angle ACD. We learned that this exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two interior angles. So then we can say it is angle CAB plus angle BAC, nothing but angle CAB this is CBA, please. It is a CBA plus angle BAC. The CB is 60, the BAC is equal to 50. That is nothing but 110 degrees. So ACD it is given as x. So x is equal to 110 degrees. Now let us go to the another one. This is DEF. In this DEF, we are expected to find Z. Z is the external angle of triangle DEF by producing the side EF. So here DEFH is equal to sum of the two triangles, that is angle FED plus angle EDF, FED and EDF. Here FED is 60 degrees, FED is 60 degrees and EDF is 70 degrees. So angle DFH is nothing but 130 degrees. Now if you come to this is nothing but angle Z. Z is equal to. So now if you go to the other diagram here, we are expected to find the value of y here. And this y is nothing but angle PRS. Now PRS is nothing but it is the exterior angle by producing the side QR of triangle PQR. So now here angle PRS is equal to angle RPQ angle RPQ plus angle RQP. Angle RPQ is 35 degrees and Q and RQP is 45 degrees. So think very carefully. All these problems are simply based on the exterior angle of a triangle, and this exterior angle must be formed by producing one side of a triangle. Clear? Yes. Any further doubts you can chat. Shall we proceed? Okay, we'll proceed it further, please. Now let us move to another one. ఇది డిలీట్ చేయండి అమ్మా ఇప్పుడు వీలైతుందా ఇప్పుడు చెప్పిన ప్రాబ్లం సైలెంట్ ముందు రికార్డ్ ఆఫ్ చేసేయండి ఆఫ్ చేస్తున్నారా ఆఫ్ చేయండి ఓకే ఏమేమైంది So find the value of x is to y. Here it is given that AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to DE. So here it is given that AB is parallel to CD and D is parallel to BC. If D is parallel to BC, now you can say that angle B, angle ACB angle ACB is equal to y. Angle ACB is equal to angle CED. CED. Angle ACB is equal to angle CED, that is equal to y. So now here angle ACB plus angle BCD plus angle DCE that is equal to 180 degrees because it's a straight angle. So now here angle ACB is y plus angle BCD is 105 plus angle DCE is 24, that is equal to 180. So here y plus 129 is equal to 180. Therefore y is equal to 180 minus 129 y is equal to 15 degrees. Again, if you think very carefully, angle BAC is equal to BAC is equal to angle CDE. Angle BAC is equal to angle DCE. So angle BAC is equal to angle DCE. Angle BAC is equal to angle DCE, that is equal to 24 degrees. So now, what is our question? Find the value of x and y. So now I hope here we got the value of x. So now here to find the value, here we got the value of y. You know y, you know angle BAC. Now to find the value of x, we should know the value of angle ABC. So now here angle ABC plus angle BAC plus angle BCA is equal to 180 degrees. So here angle ABC is nothing but 3x plus angle BAC, angle ABC is 3x, angle BAC is nothing but it is angle BAC is 24 degrees plus angle BCA, it is nothing but what you got y value, that is 51 degrees. So now here 3x plus 75 equal to 180. So 3x is equal to 180 minus 75, that is nothing but so 3x is equal to 105 and x is equal to so now the value of x is 35 degrees and the value of y is 51 degrees. So think very carefully here. So the first question is find the value of y. So if observe very carefully, this y is nothing but here y is the corresponding angle of BCA. If y is the corresponding angle of BCA, I think you know BCA plus BCD plus angle DCE, all three angles put together, it is a straight angle, nothing but 180 degrees here. And there here, angle ACB is y, and BCD is 105, and DCE is 24, that is equal to 180. Solving the equation, we arrive to the point that angle y is equal to 15 degrees. It's over. Now getting after y, we are expected to find the value of x. So these two are the interior angles. Again you can think it angle BAC as AB and CD are the parallels. You can say angle BAC is equal to angle DCE. That is nothing but 24 degrees. So here angle ABC, that is angle ABC plus angle BAC plus angle BCA is 180. So ABC is 3x, BAC is 24 and BCA is 51. That is 180 degrees. Therefore 3x plus 75 is 180. Therefore 3x is equal to 105 and x is equal to 35 degrees. So thereby here value of x is 35 and y is 51 degrees. Any of your doubts you can chat. So here two concepts have taken up place. Particularly here the concept is the parallel concept and corresponding angles concept. Okay. Any of your doubts you can chat. Time in huh? 9:48 in there. So here it is given that B is perpendicular to DA. B is perpendicular to DA and CD is also perpendicular to DA. So now here find the value of angle 1 angle 1 is equal to angle 3. So think very carefully here. BE is perpendicular to DA and CD is perpendicular to DA. So thereby you can say here angle CDA is equal to angle BEA, that's called 90 degrees because they are perpendicular. Because here these two angles are equal, what do we call them as? If two angles are equal, so then we can say this CD is parallel to BE. CD is parallel to BE. In this case here, DB is the transversal. Observe 1 and 3. They are the alternative angles here. So here, if two lines are parallel, alternative angles are equal. Therefore, you can say measurement of angle 1 is equal to measurement of angle 3. Since alternate angles are equal. Yes? Any of your doubt you can chat. Good.